Hi, I'm Lee Robson and this is my bike check. we'll start with the main part, which is the frame. Of course, DK passport, there's no better way to go. And attached to that we have DK bottle bracket, DK social cranks, obviously twisted pedals. On the other side, we've got a kink 25 tooth chain ring on a full proper wheel, left on drive. I don't even own that, that's Jack Brown's. And a fit faff tyre, which is worn out to the pub. We've got the proper pub guard and the demolition peg in white. McNeil seat on a crap post.
Hold on, what does it say on it? What does it say?
Oh, what does it say? It says MBR, Melton BMX Riders. Taking a bit of a beating. Got the United Value headset. Demolition stem in baby blue. Crap bars, 27.5 by 7.75 rise with the ODI grips and the United bar ends. The 2006 DK Dayton forks, resprayed with a DK stock wheel on the front from the Dayton, fit faff tyre and a black ped because Jack Brown's a prick. And that's my bike check. Thank you.
Yeah, Phil.
Yeah, Phil.